Uh, I'm Reuben Robbins. I'm a clinical psychologist, and I work at Columbia University doing research, HIV-related research. One of the things that I've done in my really graduate school and some also while I've been at Columbia is looking at the neurocognitive aspects of HIV. In order to detect these things, you have to give like neuropsychological tests, apparatuses, and forms and stopwatches and a lot of training. It's very cumbersome, actually. What about, using the interactive nature of these, the touch screen? And could we, make analogous types of tests and put it in the smartphone and use the computer processing power to do pretty much everything? So what does it afford you? It affords a clinician instant results. All of that sort of middle management stuff of having to score it and all this stuff, it's already done. And so you save time, so it's much more efficient, and you have a very, very, very reliable and consistently administered battery. You can begin to create a national database of cognitive test performance that researchers could use, and you could have tens upon thousands of people in this thing, and maybe even tracked over time, and you have this incredible database of cognitive performance across different age groups and so on and so forth. I was thinking about how I need to, here I have all these people, these programmers in particular, the software engineers, doing this work. They're doing it just like because they're interested, but I'm like, this is not a sustainable thing here. And I'm like, well, what do I do? What do I do? And then I get this email about Catalyst, and I say, this looks pretty cool. It's a kind of intellectual and emotional support to say, yeah, okay, we think this is really cool and we want to support it. Usually my funding has come through like the federal government, NIH kind of mechanisms. It's a lot more bureaucratic. It's a little slower. Digital science was really fast, and this is more nimble, more flexible.